Over 1.9 billion follow him. But who was he? In Makkah, a blessed child was born without a father. He lost both parents young, yet remained calm, kind, strong. Known as Al-Amin, he never lied or cheated anyone. He married Khadijah, a noble woman, who supported him. In cave Hira, an angel appeared. Read, O Muhammad. He quietly preached Islam to trusted friends and family. Bilal cried, Ahad, as they tortured him with stones. To escape oppression, he migrated with hope to Medina. In Medina, he built peace among tribes and nations. He returned without revenge, forgiving even his enemies. His final sermon, all are equal before Almighty Allah. Like, subscribe and watch Bilal's Ariana, story in the bio. Help spread the message, be the voice of truth. For the full story of Bilal's torture and bravery, check the video link in the bio. Help spread the message, be the voice of truth.